Pitfalls in marriage. Marriage is not destroyed overnight. It is weakened little by the traps we ignore. If you want your marriage to stand strong, you must recognize and avoid the pitfalls that silently kill love, respect, and unity. Lack of communication. Silence is not peace. When couples stop talking, they start drifting. Unforgiveness, holding grudges builds invisible walls. Love cannot thrive where bitterness lives. Selfishness. Marriage is not about me first, but about we together. Selfishness turns partners into strangers. Comparison, measuring your spouse against others, destroys gratitude and plants seeds of resentment. Neglect. When you stop investing time, attention, and affection, your marriage starves. Love must be fed to stay alive. Pride, refusing to admit wrong, refusing to apologize, refusing to listen. Pride is poison to intimacy. Hear this clearly. A strong marriage is not built by accident. It is built by intention. You cannot ignore the cracks and expect the house to stand. Water your marriage with kindness. Protect it with respect. Guard it with prayer. Build it with patience. A healthy marriage is one of the greatest blessings you can ever have, but it requires vigilance and sacrifice. If this message blessed you, don't just scroll away. Hit the like button. Share this with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more powerful truths that strengthen life and destiny.